Hello guys, and welcome back to Don Drone. And today I will show you Areca Palm Hut. Areca Palm Hut is located in Catmon, which is in the northern part of Cebu. It's about 58 kilometers away from Cebu City. This is the road from the main highway going to Areca Palm Hut, and it's about 3 kilometers away. This is the main entrance. The place is surrounded by a bamboo fence. An outdoor table and chairs under a mango tree. A barbecue stand and wash area, and a nice swing. This is the pool area. A natural spring is flowing to this pool, so expect a cold and refreshing pool experience. And this is their shower rinse area. A bonfire pit and chairs. Now let's go inside the hut. This is the main door. A functional kitchen and fridge, a small dining table and chairs, couch, and a chair. This is the side door going to the pool area. A radio for communicating with the staff, toilet and bathroom, an induction stove, kettle, and rice cooker. Cooking and dining utensils, a mini fridge, condiments, and insect killer. Now let's go upstairs. A bed, tray, ukulele, and cushion chair. go. You can also order foods from them, and they are freshly cooked from the kitchen. And now, it's time for breakfast in the pool. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button.